Good day and welcome back. Today something a little different. Garage space. This is gonna be my little home for the winter here. As you can see, the snow has fell and the crocks have been removed. So, found a little bit of space. Need some love, obviously, but we got a new roof on here, so let's have a look. So quite obviously, needs quite a bit of love. Thankfully, all the insulation didn't come out of the roof. And some of the drywall's still up there, so we can salvage some of that. This will be renovated into a wood shop at some point, and it's mostly going to be a wood shop when I'm in here. But lots of heavy stuff to move. We got a big old planer, shaper, router table. There's a joiner in the back there, table saw. Biggest obstacle currently though is this chassis for my dad's car. And for anybody wondering, yes, we are staying with my parents for now. Not because we have to, but because this is the best spot for us. Currently, with our situation with the bus and that, so go for a little walk here, show you some of the tools that are currently in here. Some old shaper 20-inch planer. There's a little rider on this side. Our focus for the last little bit here has just been getting that shop up and running. You've seen it in the background in some videos. I got another bandsaw, little mortise jig, probably the coolest thing in here is this old big block Chev. Wood pellets for the wood stove Dad's working on. And back here, this is an old granary that my parents acquired with the property. This will be turned into the area where the large equipment goes, like the big planer and shaper. Dust collection, air compressors, anything big and loud that won't be used every day. We'll go in there. So as you can see, there's quite a bit of work to do. These aren't light at all. Thankfully, they're on wheels, but this still could take some doing to do. So I'm gonna flick on a time lapse and just get to work in here. I'm gonna start by moving these to the corner and just kind of sort it out as we go. Huh. 30 minutes in, we can at least get around the chassis. Turns out the lights do work in here. But for now, I'm just gonna do laps, move stuff here and there. I gotta get the tractor and get that freaking thing out of here. Good thing they put wheels on it. It only weighs 1,000 freaking pounds. All right, folks, so that brings us to the end of that journey, I guess. I got a call to go to work today, right in the middle of moving everything over here. So the only thing left I have to bring over that's mine is my little table saw. And then we have a big bandsaw we're going to put in here too for woodworking, I guess.